Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you my version of tuna tartare. Now I'm going to be doing an Italian version. There's many different versions, but we're going to be using some Italian herbs and seasonings. This is a really easy appetizer. It's very elegant, but you can throw it together with just a few minutes of prep. So stick around and I'll show you how it's done. So when making tuna tartare, this is a dish where the ingredients, the quality of the ingredients is really important. So you want to buy very high quality tuna steak. I'm using yellowfin tuna, but just make sure you get the best you can get. And what you want to start by doing is, we're going to dice this up finely. So I'm going to start by cutting it into thin strips. And that's the final size you want to cut it up. You just want to basically chop it up till it's cubed. Now I had about 9/10 of a pound for my tuna steak. Really anywhere between 3/4 of a pound to a pound works good for this. To our tuna, I'm going to add 1 small shallot that I have minced up. And this is a dish that you really do want to season generously, so I'm going to start with some fresh cracked black pepper. Along with some sea salt. I'm also going to add in the zest of 1/2 of a lemon. Next we can add in some fresh herbs. Now you can use either basil or a combination of mint and basil. I like to use about 10 or 12 total leaves. So I have about half and half mint and basil that I have chiffonaded, which just means to roll it up and cut it into thin strips. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of a really high quality Italian extra virgin olive oil. And finally we can go in with about 1/2 of a lemon squeezed. And then I like to supplement the lemon with just a small amount of Tuscan Italian white wine vinegar. If you don't have any, just a little bit more lemon works just as well. So add that in. Now I'm going to stir everything around till it's nicely incorporated. Okay, and the best way to serve the tuna tartare is on flatbread cracker. So I'm going to give one of these a try. So what really makes this dish stand out, we use the absolute best quality ingredients. The tuna is not cheap, but you're really going to notice the results when you put this together. You want to use the best olive oil you can find and fresh herbs. Tuna tartare. You saw how easy this appetizer was to throw together just in a few minutes. This is going to wow your friends and family at your next dinner party. I like to serve it with a glass of chilled Prosecco. So I hope you give this a try. Once again, I am Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.